We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Before I joined the Colorado Legal Defense Group, I was a deputy district attorney here in Colorado. I prosecuted literally thousands of criminal cases. I've seen from firsthand experience that when the district attorney goes to file criminal charges, they often know very little about what really happened. Typically, the only thing they see is the police reports, which are full of mistakes, omissions, and oftentimes false allegations. But there's always another side to the story. There's your side. That's where we come in. It's our job to present your side of the story to the prosecutor, the judge, and if the case goes to trial, to the jury.
Even though Colorado is becoming a blue state and finally seeing some much-needed police reform, we still have a very draconian criminal justice system. Sentencing, sometimes with mandatory minimums, can be harsh. A good person who makes a single mistake on a bad day can see his or her life shattered with jail and a criminal record. But having the right criminal defense lawyers on your side can make all the difference.
Most criminal defense firms here in Colorado are either sole practitioners or two-attorney operations. But here at Colorado Legal Defense Group, we have the benefit of 6 attorneys, plus our own in-house investigator and dedicated support staff. We roundtable our cases, we brainstorm, we collaborate.
This way, our clients get the benefit of all of our education, experience, and ideas. We truly are a defense group. This team approach allows us to devise the most creative legal strategies. We know that our collective strength is greater than any one of us would be by ourselves.
Whenever a client comes to us who's under investigation or who's been arrested or charged with a crime, we believe it's critical to start working on the case immediately. By being proactive, we have a better shot of tracking down witnesses who may be hard to locate and locking in their memories. By building a defense right away, we may be able to secure vital evidence, such as surveillance video that's available now, but may be gone in a few weeks or even a few days.
Here at Colorado Legal Defense Group, we realize that we have no time to lose. We cannot just dive in months or even weeks after the arrest and expect favorable results. We have to be proactive and aggressive. We've got to get the ball rolling on day one.
Before I joined Colorado Legal Defense Group, I spent 8 years working as a police officer and a police detective here in the Denver region. I can tell you from experience that the cops are not on your side. Their job is to find evidence that will get you convicted and sent to jail. That's why you need an investigator who's working for you and not for the prosecutor. Here at Colorado Legal Defense Group, we not only help you inside the courtroom, but outside the courtroom as well. We conduct a thorough investigation to uncover the evidence that supports your side of the story. We find surveillance tapes that the DA might not even know exist. We comb entire neighborhoods looking for witnesses who can corroborate your version of the events. We subpoena records to find things in the accuser's past that can undermine their credibility. We even pull the personnel records of the police to see if they have a history of misconduct. If there is evidence out there that can bolster your case, we make it our business to find it.
We understand that being accused of a crime and facing jail and a criminal record is incredibly scary. That trauma is only amplified if you cannot reach your attorney. That's why here at Colorado Legal Defense Group, you get a direct line to your attorney and your attorney's assistant. You can call us, text us, or email us at any time to get questions answered, to get an update on your case, or just to get some caring, moral support to help you through this difficult time. Your legal team will always be here for you.
Lawyer accessibility is not just good for our clients. It helps us stay informed and on top of your case.
Our client is the one that really knows what happened, who knows the players involved, and who knows where we can find helpful evidence. We need to stay in close contact with each client because the client is the key to unlocking the best defense.
The fact is that people do falsely accuse other people. Witnesses are often wrong in their recollections. Law enforcement is known to make arrests without probable cause and then lie about it to try to justify their actions. Prosecutors file cases based on inaccurate police reports and often overcharge defendants just to put the state in a more powerful position to plea bargain later. We know the criminal justice system is not an even playing field. The police and prosecutors have vast resources at their disposal. The accused is always at a disadvantage, but that's where we come in. Our job is to put the odds back in your favor and help you fight back. Of course, our goal is to achieve a successful outcome in your case without the need for a trial. But if your case must go to trial, our legal team has a proven track record of consistently winning acquittals for our clients in even the most serious cases. I built Colorado Legal Defense Group by hand selecting the best legal team. Our lawyers are skilled and experienced in the courtroom, but moreover, we care deeply about our clients and finding solutions to their problems. When we take your case, we take up your cause, and we won't stop fighting until you are vindicated.